which is greater, 2 raised to 66 or 3 raised to 44. Okay, so in order for us to know which one is greater, so kailangan natin gawing magkaparehas yung exponent ng ating base. So first, kukunin natin yung greatest common factor ng ating exponent. Okay, so first, we need to factorize yung ating exponent sa kanyang prime factorization. So 66 is the same as 33 times 2 and 33 as 11 times 3. So ang factor ni 66 ay 2 times 3 times 11. The next, C44. So 44 is the same as 22 times 2 and 22 as 11 times 2. So ang factor naman ni 44 is 2 times 2 times 11. So now we can determine the GCF. So as you can see sa ating prime factorization, so we have 2. So may common silang 2. And then 11. So we have 2 times 11. And 2 times 11 is 22. So ang GCF ni 66 at 44 ay 22. Okay, next, so kunin natin yung base. And then yung natirang number dito, erase natin kay 2. So we have here 3. And then, erase ulit natin sa GCF natin, which is 22. The next, kunin natin yung base natin na 3. Then yung natitira dito, so erase natin kay 3. And then next, C22. 2 raised to 3 is just 8. So we are multiplying 2, 3 times 2. 2 times 2 is 4, times 2 is 8. Raised to 22. Then 3 raised to 2 is just 9. So as you can see, magkaparehas na ang ating exponent. So 9 raised to 22 is greater than 8 raised to 22. So therefore, yung larger dito sa ating problem is C, 3 raised to 45.